Hello everyone, we at KP Classes have an amazing news for students who are preparing for NATA and JEE-2 examination. If you are aspiring to be an architect and are preparing for NATA or JEE-2 examination, you can access our free online lecture series on the same YouTube channel, where we will be providing you coaching in a duration of 51 days. From day 1 till day 51, we will cover the entire syllabus of both these examinations, NATA and also JEE paper 2. In this video, I will be taking you through the process of how we have designed this module structure, what are the topics we will be covering in these 51 days, and how we will help you in prepare for these examinations, NATA and JEE-2. Be assured of one thing: if you attend these lecture series from day 1 till day 51, if you attend all the lectures, you can be assured that we will cover 100% of the syllabus, and you need not waste time for looking sources or alternative coachings and all. You can save your time on that. Just follow our regimented plan from day 1 to day 51, and you can be assured of covering entire syllabus of NATA and JEE-2 examination. So let me take you through the process of what are the modules we'll be covering, what are the topics we'll be covering in these 51 days. And the faculty who will be teaching you will all be from IIT and SPA graduates, so you can be assured of the quality as well. So let me take you through the structure for this coaching program. So we have divided the overall coaching, the 51-day series, into 8 modules. To prepare this module structure, we have considered the official syllabus of NATA and also JEE examination. If you go through the official syllabus for NATA examination, the syllabus could be vague with vague pointers. You would not get your 100% clarity on what are the topics covered in the syllabus. So in order to create a comprehensive module structure, we have considered the official syllabus of NATA examination, official syllabus of JEE paper 2 examination, and also have considered the previous 10 to 12 years official question papers of NATA exam and also JEE examination. By considering all these 4 inputs, that is official syllabus of both the exams and the previous exam pattern of both the exams, and also having special emphasis on the recent updates in the NATA pattern, by considering all these aspects, we have created a comprehensive module structure of 8 modules. As you can see over here, module number 1 is basics of design, where we cover the basic aspects of designing which are important, which are crucial for anyone in creative fields like architecture or design. We learn about color, we learn about elements of design, we learn about principles of design, and we learn about important logos and icons in this particular module. The second module, which is overview of world architecture, we will learn historic and also modern buildings in a timeline based order, so that you understand how architecture is evolved, and this is tested in both NATA and JEE examination. You get questions on important buildings in modern times, in ancient times. Sometimes you also get question on the timeline, which of the following is the oldest building. To answer such questions, you have to create a link: which civilization came after which civilization, and what are the important buildings under each and every civilization or architectural style. So on the overview of world architecture, we will cover, starting from ancient times till modern times, important buildings across the world, and also and also within India specifically. So that is about module number 2. Module number 3, architectural terminology, is where we learn about the terms, day-to-day used terms in the field of architecture. There are some terms, there are some say vocabulary, a group of vocabulary terms which are used within the field of construction and architecture, and you have to be aware of those terms before you enter into the field of architecture, because these terms are asked in the examination of NATA and also JEE. For example, in previous NATA, there was a question once asking the term acoustics in architecture relates to what? So you have to know that acoustics is a term in architecture or building design which relates to sound and the effect of sound in spaces. So such terms which are used, not only that structural aspect, what is foundation, what is wall, what is shear wall, what is a column and beam, understanding all these terms is important. So we cover various terms of building and architecture under architectural terminology. Also under architectural terminology, we cover building construction, building materials, various materials used in construction. The fourth module is visualization of objects, which is very important specifically from JEE paper 2 point of view. You do get questions from this module of visualization in NATA as well, but it is more important in JEE exam because there will be a lot of questions from this topic in JEE examination and our architectural aptitude part. So under visualization, basically we cover how to visualize or how to interpret various sides or various faces of a 3D object or a 3D composition. So in the examination you will be given a picture of few blocks of massing of a 3D object, and you need to interpret various faces, top, bottom, sides of it. So we understand about how to visualize objects, how to fold and unfold an image. So that is something we cover under visualization of objects. The fifth module is mental ability and reasoning, which is very important from NATA point of view. Not many questions you get in JEE from this part. You do get few questions, but it is very important and very crucial in NATA examination. Under mental ability and reasoning, we discuss various topics including sequences, pattern sequences, alphabet sequences, understanding mirror and water images, counting figures, counting lines, and also various topics like puzzles and all, which are important from NATA point of view. Then you have module number 6, which is quantitative aptitude, which covers topics of basic math like profit loss, time and work. So we cover these basic aspects of even geometry, which are important from NATA point of view particularly. Then you have the next module, which is English, 7th module, which is English or English comprehension, where we learn the aspects of verbal comprehension, where you get a passage and you need to answer questions based on that. What are the tricks, how to read passages quickly, because NATA, this English comprehension is a part of NATA examination syllabus. It is not for JEE paper 2. So you get, it is a time bound examination. NATA examination is a time bound examination where you need to answer 125 questions within the given specified time. So being quick is also very important. So we teach you tricks how to learn how to answer such comprehension questions, how to read the passage and answer them quickly, and how to answer with other aspects of comprehension like antonyms, synonyms, jumbled sentences. We cover all these topics of English comprehension under module number 7. The last and final module number 8 is sketching and composition. Sketching and composition is important for both NATA and JEE examination. Now here there is a misconception in many students that as per the updated NATA pattern, there is no physical sketching on a paper, but sketching is a part of JEE examination. So can you say that 8th module is only for JEE examination? No. The topics, the concepts of sketching, concepts of composition are still tested in NATA examination using other pattern of questions like multiple select type or preferential select questions. So understanding such questions, how to answer such questions, we will teach you in the sketching and composition classes. Basically it is focused on creating beautiful compositions. From JEE point of view you need to sketch them. From NATA point of view you need to understand the various aspects, technical aspects of sketching like anthropometry, perspective techniques. So we will teach you about these important techniques from both NATA and JEE point of view. So these 8 modules will cover the entire syllabus of NATA and also JEE paper 2 examination in the course of these 51 days. So stay tuned with utmost sincerity. If you attend all the lectures from day 1 to day 7, you can boost your confidence levels in the preparation for these examinations. Now let me take you through the details day-wise plan for all these 8 modules so that you also get an overview as to what are the topics or subtopics in the modules which we are covering. Under module number 1, that is basics of design, we will cover this module in 4 days. Day 1 would be elements and principles of design. Day 2 would be color theory. Day 3, important logos, where we cover important logos of various corporate companies and also government agencies. And day 4 we will cover important symbols and signs. So these are the 4 days in which we will cover module number 1, which is basics of design. The second module, module number 2, is overview of world history, overview of world architecture. Under this we will cover various aspects of history of architecture, starting from the ancient civilizations or ancient architectural styles, moving through various phases of Hindu architecture, Buddhist architecture. So we'll study various history of architecture under various styles, and also finally we will be looking into important buildings in India and also important buildings across the world. So this will cover the content for the second module, which is overview of world architecture. Module number 3 is architectural terminology. Under this again we will be doing this architectural terminology in 4 days, starting from day 13 till day 16. where we will cover architectural vocabulary under 2 classes, day 13 and day 14. Because it's a lengthy topic, we will dedicate 2 days for it, architectural vocabulary, and then building materials on day 15, and then building construction on day 16. So that is about module number 3. Module number 4, which is visualization of objects, will again be a 4-day long module from day 17 till day 20. We will cover topics like 3D objects and interpreting 2D views of it, folding and unfolding on day 18, and day 19 counting the surfaces of 3D objects, and day 20 will study how to the concept of counting blocks, tricks used in that, and how to answer questions with respect to that. And moving on to module number 5, which is mental ability and reasoning. Here we'll be doing it from day 21 till day 33, where we'll cover various topics of logical reasoning, including dice and cubes, including general aptitude, including non-verbal reasoning, distance and direction, mirror and water images, counting figures, and all. So that is about module number 5. And moving on to module number 6, which is quantitative aptitude, we will be doing this in 4 lectures starting from day 34 to day 37, where we'll cover topics of mensuration, time, speed, series and ratio, number system, and percentages. These are the topics which are important from mathematics, that is quant part, from NATA point of view. So that is about the module number 6. Then you have module number 7, which is English. Under module number 7, we will do it in 5 classes: antonyms, synonyms, jumbled paragraph, sentence correction, comprehension, and also sentence completion. So these 5 days we will cover the module number 7, that is English. And finally module number 8, which is sketching and composition. We will be doing this in 9 lectures starting from day 43 till day 51, where we will cover how the topics of applying the principles of design. So we covered the basics of design already in module number 1, how to apply that knowledge which you have gained in module number 1, how to apply that when you sketch, when you draw compositions in JEE exam, and also how to identify these features in the pictures given in the NATA examination. In NATA exam, you generally get picture based questions. They will giving you an image and then ask you some questions based on that. So to how to identify the features and principles in it, we cover that in module number 8. And we also will learn the topics of how to draw figures, how to draw anthropometric proportions, that is human proportions, how to draw daily objects, shading and shadow techniques, how to make your objects or elements stand out in the figures, because all these are important from JEE point of view when you sketch your drawings. And understanding various types of artwork, this is important from NATA point of view specifically. So we will cover everything related to sketching and composition in this last module, that is module number 8. So in these 8 modules, which is spread across 51-day long lecture series, if you attend from day 1 to day 51, as I told you, with utmost sincerity, if you attend all these lectures, maintain your own notes with respect to this, you need not waste your time looking for alternative sources. You need not waste your time looking for coachings which will provide you, because we will cover entire syllabus for both the exam NATA and also JEE. And the best thing is, the lectures will also include practice questions. That is very crucial. All these lectures which will be given to you by IIT, faculty from IIT and SPAs, we will not only cover the basic concepts required in each and every topic, but we will also include some previous NATA and JEE questions for practice in each and every lecture. So day 1 we will cover the content, and towards the end we will practice some questions. Similarly, day 2 will cover the concepts and practice some questions. So this structured way of preparation will really boost your confidence when you write your examination, that is NATA and JEE, which will be helpful for all your 5 attempts of your 2 attempts of JEE and 3 attempts of NATA. Hope you will utilize this free resource which we are providing to the student community on this YouTube channel. Stay updated, do subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you will get your notification once the course is live on this YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.